Here at Express, we've been manufacturing and installing aluminium products since 2007. Ever since our inception, all our products have always been bespoke, so we always manufacture our products to the customer's exact requirements. We constantly evolve our product range based on market trends. We want to remain as the market leaders in the industry, and most importantly, we always want to make sure we're offering the very best products to our customers.
The company was started in February 2007 with my son. I've always wanted to have a family business.
The family feel has never left Express as we've grown. A lot of the staff have been here for well over a decade, and they all take great pride in the work throughout every single process, whether it's the showroom experience, our quality surveyors, our after-sales service, right through to our world-class manufacturing facility.
We take great pride in making our customers' dream homes a reality. It's not enough for us to simply provide the doors and windows. We take every customer as an individual and go above and beyond in everything we do to ensure they get exactly what they wanted and enjoy the process.
We believe that our showroom experience is extremely important. When people are investing significant money into their homes, it's important that they can see the products, get the look and feel, and select the right products that are for them. So that's why in all our showrooms, like this one behind me, we've gone to great lengths to make sure that customers can really see how our products will work and feel in their own home. We're extremely proud of our comprehensive 10-year guarantee. This offers the peace of mind to all of our customers that whatever we install is fully guaranteed for 10 years, and we have the infrastructure and the resources to back that up. One of the main benefits Express offer all our customers is that you'll never ever deal with a middleman, you'll only deal with Express. So we'll come out and do the site survey, we manufacture all the products ourselves, and then we'll install them ourselves, which is why we can offer such a comprehensive guarantee. There's a lot of pride within the company about everything that we do. We've tried to be the absolute best at every stage of our customer's order process, starting from the showroom experience through to the survey, our world-class manufacturing facility, and of course our skilled and experienced installers right through to our aftercare. We have ambitious plans moving forward. We want to build on our success over the years. We very much hope to remain as the leading light within the industry. We want to look after the thousands of customers that are already enjoying Express products within their own home, and we look forward to working with many more and helping them to create light-filled, open-plan homes with the very best products available.